Hello everyone, welcome back to JetPrint channel. Today we are excited to show you our Kiss Cat stickers, perfect for adding endless creativity to your items. Now let's get in our thought. We use removable adhesive material and precise cutting technology to ensure our stickers can be easily peeled off and repositioned multiple times without leaving any sticky residue. They are easy to use and clean. Additionally, these materials are highly adaptable and can adhere to various surfaces. The 11.7 inches by 8.3 inches, providing ample space for your designs. You can place various designs in different positions on the same sticker. Whether it's illustrations, brand logos, or slogans, they will all be perfectly displayed. However, please ensure there is spacing between your designs to facilitate our production process. We will add a white border to your design, so you only need to upload your artwork to our mockup generator without worrying about adding the white border yourself. Custom stickers are incredibly versatile. For example, they can be used to decorate your laptop, mugs, notebook, and more. They are also great for brand marketing and can be used as event giveaway. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to follow on our products. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.